So here we go. Coping with stress and burnout. So what is burnout? So burnout is basically it is a state of emotional, mental, and physical exhaustion caused by excessive and prolonged stress. This is basically what you do. You get up every day, start solving the questions. It becomes a monotonous routine for every one of you, and then you get into this cycle that why am I doing this thing again and again, day by day, day by day? Because USMLE it is a marathon rather than a sprint. So you keep on doing the same stuff again and again, and then you get into a state of emotional, your mental or physical exhaustion. And it occurs when you feel overwhelmed and unable to meet constant demands. So USMLE will put forward obstacles again and again. It will there are some changes again and again. Ethics questions are being increased. There will be certain days when you don't score high on your test block, and then that ruins all your plan, motivation, and all everything. Because motivation is a different thing and discipline is a separate aspect. If you are not disciplined enough, then motivation won't be helping you throughout this journey. So you need to be disciplined so that you avoid this burnout phase. And we'll be discussing how to avoid this burnout today, basically. Because it is not that you can study every single day when you are preparing for MLE. You need to add proper breaks to your schedule so that you can